ABVP Shillong Nekasngi Kalpalong ya Tirot Sing Best Students Award Arjar Arpsaw ha kaba ki khynnah school lagi school baper ki bawan shakmat lapun ko borom yaki ha kani kasngi ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong ha kani kasngi lawan bandon lang daw Union Minister of States for External Affairs and Textiles Government of India Upabitra Margarita ha kejingdon lang joki wedi kiri orang ba na kejelai pekentup yau Dr. Keston Bell Manix Imli ubadai uba nak yang kesem jong usim Tirot Sing Imli Dr. Shashan Kutlang Khongthorem State President ABVP Meghalaya Presiden Barim ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri MDC ke BJP uba Bernard Marak bat kiwei deki riurang ba habakren hakani kesngi nagaliang Minister of State for External Affairs and Textile Jok Sarkar India Upabitra ulapan pawi ke jingsok men ba uyo kini kalan mendedon lang bat kisamla puli susu lai thuru ba Myntri rang ba kari lawan ra ya kana mat kaburom ya ke jela Meghalaya da ka ba ithuh ya ki khlawait na ke jela kum ki ruslur kata la ka dei Tirot Sing em lani ki wedi ki ruslur ki balapau dei na ka dau ba Myntri rang ba du kari unaran ramudi ulapan pau bat wanra ya ka thup ka ba menchwa ka bagi khot ka unsung heroes Hagaba menta kini kim dai shu ki unsung heroes rai gladei ki riu krau ki baroh kari India bat ka perthai bro ka wai kitip ya kajingdon benta jungki bani kon persha ya sarkar phareng ha kisnam ki ba manshwa
the unsung hero of Meghalaya Tirot Sing Patukan Sangma and Khynnah. It is his government who had sent Tirot Sing in 2016 August has been given the recognition to the national freedom fighters of our nation. I would like to give a very special and to be open. This will be a very beneficial for the people of my kingdom. So I would like to give a very special thanks to Modi government. I'm standing here, I give a special thanks also to ABVP who has given me the chance to deliver a speech about Tirot Sing. So first of all, I would like to give a special thanks also to Simli was his surname. He was born in 1802. His mother Kaksam Sibling and his father Khynnah. He was the 10th ruler, the 10th king of the kingdom. He was installed as a king in his kingdom when he was only 12 years old. And his father used to help to administer the kingdom. He was one of the freedom fighters of Northeast India. Why he was known as the freedom fighter? In 1826, British, after concluded the Treaty of Yandarbo, which gave them a strong hold over the Brahmaputra Valley in Assam and Sarma Valley, partly in Bangladesh, had also become the position of the British in that time. They sought to build a road across Khasi Hills to connect these two regions. To ease for easier transport and strategic purposes. David Scott, the political agent of the British of the East India Company, he requested Tirot Sing to allow him to construct the road to connect these two regions by through his kingdom. So, but that is what he had also promised, that he will keep back the dua which already given back to Assam. It was once under the jurisdiction of Myntri. And also assured that the trade of the free trade in the region. But after Tirot Sing, after the consultation with his daughter, he consented to the British and allowed to construct the road and also sign the agreement and all the treaties. Soon after the construction of the road started, the British people started to harass the women, and also Raja Ram Singh of Rani, he disputed Tirot Sing over the Tirot Sing position of the dua and claimed for himself. So Tirot Sing expected that the British would support and would stick, that they blocked his entry. So Tirot Sing also received the news that the British were bringing in reinforcement from Gorky and Sylhet. This led Tirot Sing to ask the British to leave Northward. But the British paid no attention to the order and continued to remain in the post.
As I stand before you today, on this cherished land close to my heart, I am filled with a profound sense of familiarity and warmth. This place has always been more than just a location. It's a home not far from my home. Every corner of this land feels like an extension of my own being, offering an innate sense of belonging and comfort. Shillong. As you all know, it's a gem that graces every traveler's bucket list. It is not merely a burgeoning tourist destination. It is the largest urban hub of the Northeast, playing a pivotal role in the region's economy. More than a gateway to this region's natural wonders, Shillong serves as a testament to the Northeast's incredible potential and vibrancy. The magnificent state, Meghalaya, has long been revered as a jewel of the Northeast, renowned not only for its rich cultural heritage but also for its breathtaking ecological landscape. The sheer beauty of Meghalaya is awe-inspiring. Its mountains stretch endlessly. The lush greenery feels almost ethereal, and the crystal clear waters sparkle with tranquility that beckons visitors to experience nature in the purest form. Each corner of Meghalaya presents a unique adventure, awaiting exploration and appreciation. With its unparalleled natural beauty and deep cultural roots, Meghalaya holds tremendous potential to emerge as a major global tourist destination. Over recent years, the entire Northeast region has witnessed a significant rise in both national and international tourism. This momentum can be attributed to the visionary leadership of our esteemed Prime Minister, Param Adaraniya Shri Narendra Modi ji, his foresight and commitment have laid the foundation for this growth, positioning our region as a premier hub for global tourism. All of us know that Modi ji considers Northeast to be Astalaxmi, the growth engine of modern India. I'm deeply honored to extend my heartfelt thanks to Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Ceylon for providing me with the opportunity to celebrate and honor the rich history and culture of this land. The beautiful experiences of the past, marked by neglect and lack of recognition, are now being transformed. Today, as we gather under the banner of Tirot Sing, the moment is not merely symbolic. It is deeply representative, emotional, and personal for the people of the Northeast. For too long, we have yearned for the chance to share with the nation the stories of baroh, bravery, patriotism, and welfare from our land. But now we stand not in the background of the national development, but at the forefront. All of us know that we will progress of the region. Recognizing and strengthening its roots is foundational. Unsung heroes like you, Tirot Sing, Bir Lassit Prabhukan, and many others have long been overlooked by mainstream education and institutions. Today, under the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, we are witnessing a wave of reclaiming our identity in the Northeast, a renewed sense of pride and honor in sharing these contributions to the world. And it is also already mentioned by Honorable Deputy Chief. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. This three words, and unity. And again here I have seen education for life, life for the country, students' power, nation's power. ABVP, as you know, is not just an organization. It is a vital force in national reconstruction. The vision that ABVP has consistently upheld through its tireless efforts, it is a testament to its commitment to building a strong and resilient organization in Shillong. As we gather here today, motivating and encouraging our youth for a better tomorrow, we must reflect on the struggles and sacrifices of our own people. I speak not from a political or leadership perspective, but as someone who hails from Assam, from the Northeast, I feel an immense sense of pride in seeing our region's stories and cultures being discussed and celebrated. The familiarity of the Northeast, once distant to the rest of India, is slowly becoming more integrated into the national consciousness, just as the contribution of Tirot Sing and other unsung heroes are reaching mainstream society. Tirot Sing is no more an unsung hero, he is a celebrated hero. He is respected right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Northeast. Tirot Sing is not only a Khasiyar Meghalayan hero, he is a national hero. The initiative by our Prime Minister to honor the value and bravery of the legendary Khasi King Tirot Sing, whether through Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav or by participating in regional celebrations that highlight and command this leader, reflects a deep commitment to addressing the unrepresentation of the Northeast in mainstream history. By focusing on the issue soon after taking office, he has not only worked to recognize the historical significance of our region, but also to preserve our rich cultural and historical landmarks. This acknowledgement is crucial for safeguarding our cultural heritage and ensuring that the remarkable stories of our past continue to inspire and educate future generations. With the broader narrative of national development, the sacrifices and contributions of figures like you, Tirot Sing, and many more heroes of our region are not just chapters of history books. They are the bedrock of our identity and pride. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that these stories are told, honored, and preserved for generations to come. And for that, I once again thank from the core of my heart to our Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad already, the Honorable State President have mentioned everything about the motto, the works done by Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. It gives us immense pride to say that this is the largest students' organization in the world. Give a round of applause in honor of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. It works with the aim for national reconstruction. Vyakti Nirman se Rashtra Nirman. This is the motto. So, I'm really thankful that ABVP has given me the opportunity to stand before you today. And in conclusion, I would like to reiterate my gratitude once again, ABVP Shillong also for this opportunity to reflect on our shared history and the bright future that lies ahead.